Okay, so now let's start. We're going to visit Canva. Okay, now over here we are going to go to document A4 portrait. Over here we're going to search for book cover. Okay, so now we are over here. We can see that there are different covers. Okay, now like over here we have option children's book covers. So I'm going to search for this. Now you can see that there's interesting covers. Now look at this. We have this book cover. So I'm going to choose this. Over here I'm going to edit the name. I'm going to write early. Okay, for example, if we are making an activity book, so I'm going to search for this. We're going to write early years activity book. Okay, so now let me now over here we're going to go on this text option. Here we're going to write at subheading. In this subheading we're going to make the subheading exactly of the same length of the slide. Okay, here we're going to write the name of the author. Okay, so for example, I could write knowledge zone. Okay, so I'm done with this. Now over here you can see that I have to edit this image. So let's edit this. Now over here I could add, I'm go on elements, I'm going to add something like related, like I could add students study. Okay, now here you can see that there are a lot of options, like this option. This is such a good option. What if we add this? Okay, so now look at this. It's a good activity book. There. Now over here we can add like a school at the background, or we can write library. Okay, here we have library. Now we're going to so there. Now we're going to click on over here we're going to click on position and we're going to send it backward. So now you can see that it's seen. Now it's such a good scene here. Okay, if you want, so if you have if you're the author, you're going to write your name, but if you have an illustrator as well, you can write the name of the illustrator as well. But if I am the author and the illustrator, so I'm just going to write my name. Okay, so it's done. We have created a wonderful book page. Now over here on this Canva site, you can see that there are million and billion of beautiful decorative covers for your book. Okay, if you want, you can customize them. You can create your own style. Okay, you can get ideas, you can get different and creative ideas from this site. Okay, now as we have created our book cover, don't forget to see my next video to learn how to create a book on Canva. Okay.